100% heat-set polypropylene machine woven for long-lasting quality. Inherently stain, fade and wear resistant for fuss-free maintenance. Cozy Shag Collection features a simple yet sophisticated fusion of traditional Moroccan trellis motif for solid design and contemporary shag construction for a neat look that elegantly accents most furnishing and floors with easy-to-design styling. Machine made with premium quality, the jute backing and soft polypropylene pile offers wear, stain and fade resistance, which makes this rug serviceable for long years to come on a wide range of floors as a luxurious, modern and trendy update including heavy traffic areas like living room, dining room, teens room, guest room, nursery room, TV room, kids room, entrance, dorm room, bedroom, family room, staircase, foyer, entryways and hallways. It protects your floors as well as acting as a noise damper. The soft anti-stain and shed-free pile offers a fresh and cozy feeling and easy maintenance as well as providing a safe and comfortable space for your kids, guests and pets. Available in a rich assortment of sizes, shapes and colors, this family-friendly area rug is also a great way to redo a room without breaking the bank and an ideal gift for holidays and birthdays. If you are looking for a comfortable and relaxing environment for your morning coffee, evening dinner or happy hours in your home or office, this shaggy rug is what you need. Update any space in your home instantly and effortlessly when you roll out this stylish rug. Top reviews from the United States. Low-cost rug, the good kind. Absolutely perfect for what I wanted. This rug is for the man cave, cinema cave, dark room. It's ideal. The floor in there is laminated so it's cold, all the damn time, always cold. It's not a huge room. I didn't want to carpet it because it's not required, so a large rug is what was needed. The rug itself is soft, not like super deep shag pile that you sink into soft, but soft enough that it feels nice on bare feet. The color is pretty bang on to the picture as well, which is sometimes not the case. It's been down for a couple of months now. There are no signs of wear tear, even with an office chair rolling over it. It's also remained perfectly flat with no curling edges. If you are in need of a low-cost rug that has the look of something of a far higher price tag, then you won't go wrong here.